The Plymouth family gave St Fagans Castle and the surrounding land to the National Museum of Wales in 1948 for the purposes of opening St Fagans National Folk Museum. But alongside the actual park itself, they also gave us some archive material relating to the development of the castle and the gardens. It gives us details of how the gardens were designed, including specifically the Italian garden, which was redesigned back in the 1990s based on these original plans, or the early 2000s I should say, and so these are the original drawings from the 1920s. So these were donated by the Right Honourable the Earl of Plymouth, and these are just some of the plans of, for instance, the development of the Italian garden, which is one of the gardens surrounding St Fagans Castle. This is the plan of the Italian garden as it was in 1920.